can you clean the Apple Watch microphone? Let me explain that and guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so we obviously have to follow the Apple's guidelines so we don't damage the product. So on the official website, which I'm going to link below, you can read through the official way to clean the device, which obviously includes the microphone as well. So you can see which products to avoid, like soaps and abrasive materials or compressed air. This should not be used on the Apple Watch, but you can definitely wipe the Apple Watch with a non-abrasive lint-free cloth, and you can lightly dampen the cloth with fresh water, and you can basically just clean the Apple Watch like that. And when it comes to the ports or like the speaker and microphone, you can see that we have a dedicated section for it, right? So if there is a substance or debris visible in places such as the speaker or microphone ports, you can hold your Apple Watch under lightly running warm fresh water until it's clean. Soaps and other cleaning products shouldn't be used, as I mentioned, but of course, since the Apple Watch is like supposed to go underwater, it's gonna be fine for just cleaning like that. And we also have a little addition in here that the Series 10 and later, you can also use a soft bristle brush to remove debris from the speaker as well as from the microphone. So yeah, it depends on your device, but these are the ways you can definitely do this. So I hope I was able to explain that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.